apart from absolutely loving my job, one of the biggest perks has to be the cars that I get to drive on a daily basis, and today is no exception. Finally, after years and years and years, I have the opportunity to drive a 35 GTR. Wow, what a quick car. So early one in pearl white, completely stock, but as I said, super fast. But anyway, let's get to work and do this engine. Camera definitely fell down then, but bloody hell, that's fast. I went to start filming this morning when I got in. I turned it on, it said battery low and switched off. 7:26. You're a bit late.
Mate, honestly,
So we both come in early, me to watch, Daniel to finish my engine. So all that's left is obviously this side head, valve train, rocker cover, and that's it. It's done.
To the moon.
And then send it to the moon. 7.5 grand this time, I think. So both surfaces nice and clean. Ready to sit these puppies on. As long as people can see the Blackwell's thing, yeah. That's all that matters. That guy gave him. How the hell do you get caught?
Want what they want.
Yeah, Dave. Go on.
For your idols or people. When they say to you, Ray.
Anyone else watching the Jeffrey Dahmer series?
Didn't he eat?
Yeah, he ate people, chopped them up, like put them in acid.
That'd be right or what?
So because the CNC is so big, why do they go so big?
No, because
It cuts
as
through.
they cut in, they start to cut into the thread.
So it's cut into the thread where these come through. So you've got a thread seal them.
Otherwise, you'll get compression. Alright, give me a bottle at a time.
Alright.
I'll do it.
Let's see this here.
Schmutzer. This one, this. This is for Troy.
Because he hates it. So it's every second bolt. I don't know if you can see. Just. Fusion.
Oh, that's a good view.
Oh my god, we got a complete engine.
It's done, mate. Let me just hand check the
Oh
torque setting.
my god, piss off.
Running out.
Pretty satisfying. Who gives a shit what colour the gaskets are? Just bag on my blue gasket. You can't say that in these videos.
Why?
I'll have to beep that out.
Will I get cancelled?
Yeah. Question is, are you happy with how that turns over?
You can see the valve there, look. It's cool. And this hole.
Oh, I can't see shit. Alright, I now christen this engine done. So just as my battery is about to die, this is all done, back together, sealed up. This is just sitting on there so no shit gets in the engine. And balancer we'll put on another day because we don't have the tool here at the moment. That's tough.
Just act like you know what you're doing.
Alright, I'll bust out a couple tunes. What is it? Control up, alt up.
Hey, jump. There's no boost, mate.
I just pressed something to be honest, and the screen changed.
It's all good. That's funny. I did a bit of research. There's a couple of settings I had knocked up. As soon as I fixed them, car drives Mac.
What, did it drive crap before?
Yeah, it's pretty shitty. So, we're doing the tunes.
Alright, just a bit more boost.
Oh yeah, fucking.
3-speed. Oh, reverse pattern.
What a beast.
God, this seat does nothing. Fucking falling into the middle. Trying to get it hot.
I'm letting the wideband tune my fueling.
Hell. This seat is fucking shit house.
Give us a laptop, mate. There's me cool.
You know what I froth in this car? I don't think that's a van radio though. That looks like VK VH.
What we're going to do is we're going to overfuel it just because. So we're going to P and we're going to give it 20. No. We're going to go P and we're going to give it 20%.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Have you ever owned a V8?
Huh?
Have you ever owned a V8?
Yeah, I had an LS
Really?
Silvia.
Oh, you did too.
Yeah, air fuel ratios are good.
So Troy just clocked level 1, right? And then he got the secret box, which got him an extra life and a health bag. So we moved him on to level 2. Oh my god.
Yeah, but you were doing a little bit hot.
Yeah, it is very hot. I'm trying to fall out of this chair.
Dude, I swear inside the car's cooking.
Yeah, it'll be from the head. I can feel it on my legs, the headers. I feel like you're gonna fall out the window.
That's funny, it still needs fuel.
What was the rev to?
7.5, but I'm not letting it go that far.
You can't rev the LS that hard.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Why?
Because the YouTube comments said so.
Yeah, but YouTube comments don't know what rods and pistons I got in it.
Fucking hell. Yeah. Oh.
I overfueled it. Or rather, overfueled it. Wow, there's no brakes.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
just
smell?
that's just VN life. Oh yeah, I can smell the brakes.
You got,
Mate, your bloody engine light's on.
yeah.
Probably due for service.
It's hot, but it's not blowing water out.
She's a little bit warm. This car is sick. The Turbo 400 and built high comp 6 litre. Built by Troy. Anyway, I don't know where I'm putting this into a video. This was so random, but who knows? So, just a quick rundown on this VN Executive that we have here. This actually isn't a customer's car. This actually used to belong to, funny enough, the guy that runs the company Street Auto Garage that does the remake hubcaps. This car was bought from him. So as a 6-cylinder auto exec, all 100% standard interior, apart from the shifter and the cluster. Absolutely love this color. And really digging this car. From what I can remember, a Troy built high compression 6-litre with some heads, a camshaft, OTR, you know, all the usual stuff. Headers, exhaust from Sharp's exhaust, so twin 3-inch from memory into 3.5. Sounds really good, this car. A diff by Carl's Diffs with, I don't know, look, I could be wrong, True Track 3.9s and some axles. This car actually goes for tune this week on Thursday at Allspark, so I'll keep you posted on what this car makes. Oh, and most importantly, under there is a reverse pattern Turbo 400. So it has all the fruit, this thing, and should make some really good power. I thought you guys would like this car. How good does that sound? Driving this car in and out every morning makes me really miss the VN, to be honest. There you go, out in the sunlight. It's in pretty good nick. Probably needs some bars. The sill panel's the right color, which is a rare thing. Grey. Yeah, really like this car. It's needs a roof lining, yeah, probably the bars. Get rid of the friggin' trailer plug. Mud flaps are cool. Apart from that, she looks all stock on the outside.
Nah, I'm gonna have to give you a hand. Right.
I'm clear, go.